I'm going to stop behind that van, leaving enough space for me to go around. If it's a van, keep a little bit more than normal car. Why? Because they don't have a top mirror. They can't see you on their top mirror. They need to see you on their side mirrors, which means if you go too close and if you have a small car, it will be difficult for them to see you. So if it's a van and they don't have a top mirror, don't go too close. Leave a little bit more than normal. That way they could see you on their side mirrors. Okay? This road is parked cars on both sides. So I'm going to drive in the middle, giving them the space on the left, giving space on the right, and I'm going to drive in the middle. Okay? And then keep looking ahead if there's a car coming, and I'm going to wait here, keep sticking my nose out. Okay, mirror, mirror. The van is coming. Can you see? How did I stop? Not too close to the pavement, not too close to the parked car, and stick my nose out. Mirror, mirror, and carry on. If you go too close to the pavement, car behind is going to think you are parking. If you go too close to the parked car, then your view is going to be restricted and you won't be able to get out. And then I stick my nose out. One, for me to go out easily, and also the car behind knows that I'm not parking. My car becomes a signal. Okay? Remember, it is not just your life. You are risking others' life. When you are driving on the road, this car is a weapon. It will kill people unless you control it, unless you understand how to control it, unless you understand everything on the road. Okay? Like I said, this is a piece of metal. It doesn't have a mind, it doesn't have a heart, it doesn't have any emotion. It will kill unless you control it. You are the one who's sitting here controlling the car. You have the responsibility to know how to drive the car, to have the information on the road, to become a driver that is safe. One other request I like to make is that if you are watching my channel and if my channel is helping you to learn to drive, please subscribe. Amongst you who are watching my channel, only 30% have subscribed. The rest, they just watch, but they haven't subscribed yet. So if you are one of them, please subscribe. That way, it will help my channel to reach high, and also it will motivate me to do more better, gives me more idea to help you better, come with better videos. Remember, if I'm motivated, if I'm inspired, I will get better ideas because I'm happy that my channel is doing well, that my channel is helping you. It will motivate me. That way, I will have better ideas. I will come with better videos for you to help you. Remember, this is your channel. It's helping you. So help the channel by subscribing. That way, you are helping the channel and the channel helps you. Please subscribe. That way, my channel will reach higher and I will come with better videos. If you are learning and you need help on learning and passing the driving test, don't forget to take the advantage of our online course. The course gives everything a learner needs to learn to drive and to pass the driving test. It has everything a learner needs. I will leave a link on the description for you to have a look. Have a look and see and read, and if you like it, you could always join the course.